ready to upgrade your driving experience. Dive into a world of innovation and convenience with our top-notch car gadgets. From solving common driving dilemmas to enhancing safety and comfort, each product offers unparalleled value. Explore our curated selection, ranging from the original drop-stop seat gap filler to the powerful AstroAI Tire Inflator, and from the versatile VacLife Tire Pump to the stylish Govee Car LED Lights. Elevate your journey with premium quality and unbeatable functionality. Don't miss out on exclusive deals and endless possibilities. Grab your favorites now. Subscribe now and ignite your passion for all things automotive with Auto Supercar. Drop Stop, the original patented car seat gap filler. Drop Stop, a gadget featured on Shark Tank, provides complete coverage around the seatbelt catch, preventing items from slipping into the gap between car seats and the center console. Its patented design ensures durability and easy attachment without the need for readjustment. Each package contains 2 drop stops for universal fit, along with bonus gifts. The gadget's high-grade neoprene casing allows it to adapt to different gap sizes while remaining discreet in the vehicle interior. Drop Stop addresses a common problem, offering a practical solution that enhances driving safety and convenience, all for the price of $24. Click now to elevate your experience and seize the moment. The Puladiki Cleaning Gel is a perfect car cleaning tool designed to tackle hard-to-reach places like air vents, steering wheels, and cup holders. Easy to use, simply push the gel into cracks to remove dust and dirt. It's gentle on your car and leaves a pleasant fragrance. Reusable until it turns black, store it in a cool, dry place after use. Aside from cars, it's also handy for cleaning electronics and household items. Priced at only $5, it makes a perfect car care gift for both men and women. Ideal as stocking stuffers for all ages. Don't miss out. Secure your spot with just one click. Hodor Car Trash Can with lid and storage pockets. Streamline your car interior with Hodor's versatile car trash bag. Featuring an adjustable strap for easy attachment and a collapsible shape, it offers unparalleled convenience on the go. With magnetic snaps for swift bag replacement and a durable leak-proof lining, say goodbye to messy spills. This multi-purpose bin also doubles as storage for essentials, making it a must-have for any vehicle. At just $8, it's the ultimate solution for a tidy and organized ride. Introducing the AstroAI Tire Inflator with Tough Ultra technology for unparalleled durability, built to last 30% longer than traditional inflators. Easily program your desired pressure and watch as the inflator shuts off automatically once reached, ensuring precision and ease of use. Compact and lightweight, it's designed for effortless storage in your car. Plus, its backlit screen and flashlight make nighttime use a breeze. Gift yourself or your loved ones with this essential tool for just $31. Introducing our practical and powerful mini vacuum for cars and trucks. Weighing just 2.4 lbs for easy handling. With a HEPA filter ready to tackle ash, dust, or spills, it's your go-to interior car detailing kit in an ergonomic design. Engineered with a 106W motor, this handheld vacuum offers strong suction to eliminate dirt and debris, while the washable filter ensures long-lasting performance. Our car cleaning kit includes 3 attachments, a carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter for comprehensive cleaning. Conveniently powered by the 12V outlet with a 16-foot cord, it's perfect for cleaning even the trickiest spots. Priced at just $25, these gadgets are essential accessories for both men and women to keep their vehicles cute and tidy. Transform your car's atmosphere with our LED lights, priced at just $16. With the creative DIY mode via the Govee Home app, choose from 16 million colors and personalize effects to suit your style. Sync the lights to your favorite tunes using the built-in mic for dynamic music experiences on road trips. Manage colors and brightness effortlessly with Smart App Control, ensuring a vibrant driving environment with a simple tap. The 2 lines design allows hassle-free installation on any car model, eliminating exposed wiring. Rubber tubing outside the lights offers protection from water spills, making installation easy and worry-free. Illuminate your car with style and convenience, ideal for Valentine's Day decorations and beyond. Improve your driving experience with our convex rearview mirror, priced at just $13. Enjoy a wider angle view and enhanced vision, especially during nighttime driving, with the blue tinted mirror that reduces glare from high beams. Eliminate blind spots effectively for safer driving and gain clearer visibility of passengers in the back seat. The universal car clip-on design fits various vehicles including cars, SUVs, CRVs, vans, and trucks. Made of high-quality glass, our rear-view mirror provides clear, real images without distortion or overlap. Installation is a breeze, taking only 8 seconds to attach the adjustable clip to the original mirror and adjust the angle, with anti-fall packaging ensuring mirror integrity even after a 2-meter fall. Drive with confidence and clarity. Introducing our efficient auto tire air compressor priced at $27. This compressor inflates standard car tires in seconds, offering a hassle-free solution for emergencies on the road. With an auto shutoff function, preset your desired pressure level, and the compressor automatically stops when reached, preventing overinflation. Equipped with LED lighting for nighttime use and a 9.8V power cord for convenience, it ensures full tire care with minimal effort. The multi-purpose nozzles cater to various needs, including vehicle tires, sports equipment, and inflatables. Note: not suitable for large vehicles with tire pressure over 50 psi and tire width exceeding 245 mm. If using a converter, ensure it meets safety specifications. Allow the compressor to rest for 10 minutes after running for 10 minutes. Experience efficient and reliable tire inflation with our VacLife Tire Pump. Introducing our portable plug-in USB-C power bank priced at $25. Say goodbye to extra cables with its built-in interface, allowing convenient charging for Android phones on the go. Its compact size, equivalent to a lipstick, makes it easy to carry in your pocket or purse, weighing just 100 grams. With a 5200 mAh high-quality li-polymer battery, it fully charges most Android phone models at least once, serving as a reliable backup power supply for daily use or emergencies. Dual input options and a smart LCD display offer versatile charging and easy tracking of battery status. Compatible with a wide range of devices including Samsung, LG Moto, Google Pixel, and more, it comes with a 24-month warranty and friendly customer service. Please note, the power bank is not compatible with iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11, XRA, XS, XS Max 8, 7, 6, 5 SE series. Additionally, ensure your phone case thickness is under 4 mm for proper charging compatibility. Experience convenience and reliability with our USB-C power bank. Discover the ultimate car air freshener priced at $71 with a 1-year warranty for swift issue resolution. Featuring easy auto on-off, it activates seamlessly with your car's start, saving energy effortlessly. Experience the quiet and effective diffusion technology that fills your car with a pleasant aroma in no time. Adjust the scent strength with 3 settings and enjoy long battery life, lasting up to 60 days for extended freshness. Our natural alcohol-free fragrances are safe for everyone, offering up to 2 to 6 months of refreshing scents per refill. Choose from 17 different refill scents to suit your preferences. Crafted from durable aluminum, this car freshener is spill-proof and ideal for daily drivers, truck drivers, Uber, and Lyft drivers. Rely on our premium features for a clean, refreshing driving experience every time. Revitalize your driving experience with our exceptional car gadgets designed to simplify your life on the road. Whether you're seeking convenience, safety, or style, our diverse range of products has you covered. With innovative features, reliable performance, and unbeatable value, our gadgets are here to enhance every moment of your journey. Don't settle for ordinary. Make every drive extraordinary with our top-tier car accessories. Take the next step towards a smoother, more enjoyable ride. Shop now and embark on a new era of driving excellence.